Hey guys, Anna here from Kindertext. So I've been getting a lot of questions on how I do this glitter effect for my quotes that I post to Instagram. So I figured I'd do a quick tutorial on how to, because it's very, very simple. So I have my quote already created. You're going to select the text box that you would like to do an effect for. For this specific text, I'm using my font called Field Day, which is available in my TPT store. You're going to make sure the box is selected. You're going to click Format, Text Fill, and you're going to fill it with a picture. You're going to want to have a file already saved to either your computer or your USB drive, whatever it is that you use to save your files to. You can really do anything with this. I personally like the glitter effect, so I keep using my glitter file. You can use a digital paper background that you've purchased on Teachers Pay Teachers or Etsy, or an image or a rainbow fill or whatever it is that you can find. I have a glitter background that I found on Google. So you're going to click the background that you want, and then you're going to go to Insert. Now, do you see how it looks all stretched out? You're going to go to Text Options under Format Shape, and you're going to tile the picture as Texture. And there you go. It looks a lot better. Now, it's filled with the glitter, but I'm going to do the effect that I like, which is the outlining and the offsetting. So what I'm going to do is Control C and then Control V, which copies and pastes the box. Then you're going to go to Text Fill, No Fill, and Text Outline, and I'm going to do it in black. And there you have it. Now all you have to do is offset it and put it wherever it is that you would like. And there you go. It's that easy. I hope this helps.